Hello and welcome to our C SketchUp tutorials for beginners. Today, we'll guide you through SketchUp 3D Warehouse, a great resource to know where you can get great geometry models for your scenes fast and easy. One of the main goals for an artist is to create great architectural visualization while understanding the clients and the project they have imagined. However, the perfect modeling takes a lot of time, and at the end of the day, the clients might even pick a completely different set. For all those moments when you are not willing to spend forever on modeling, here comes the SketchUp Free Warehouse. It is a one-click library that you can access directly from SketchUp Pro's interface. It allows you to browse thousands of pre-made models that you can use directly in your scene. Straight from SketchUp's interface, open the browser and just type in what you're looking for. In this case, a great table. Select your model and take advantage of the fact that there is a 3D live view in the browser window to see it from every perspective. When you select it, click Download. The object can be automatically opened inside your scene or saved separately. Just as easy, you can fill in your scene with the desired models in no time. Then, if you need to switch any piece without remodeling anything, you can just go back to the warehouse and search for another more suitable for you or your client. As you can see, very easily you can combine pieces from the warehouse with your own geometry modeling to start creating beautiful and easy setups. The SketchUp 3D Warehouse is also available in the browser as a normal site, so you can open it anywhere from any device and browse the desired pieces of geometry. The 3D Warehouse is not only accessible from anywhere, but as you can see, it is full of a great variety of models. From full architecture constructions, through designer pieces to whole room sets. Anything you need for a complete SketchUp project. Find, test, and integrate into your daily workflow easily. Thank you for being with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more great tips on how to use SketchUp. Have questions? Consider getting SketchUp Pro or want to get in touch? Feel free to find us at www.aeco.space. See you next time.